everyone. We all use baking soda for cooking. But do you all know that baking soda helps to increase our beauty and personal hygiene? Yes, it will help. So I will share few tips for that. I also use these tips. It really works. Baking soda, not baking powder. It reduces hair growth. Take half spoon baking soda and half spoon of water. You should take both of them in equal quantity depending upon the area you want to apply. Mix well. Apply to your body part where you want to reduce hair growth and give gentle massage for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash off. After that, apply body lotion or face cream. All women usually go to parlor and do upper lip. After coming home, wash that part neatly and apply this mixture for 1 week. You can observe the growth of hair in that part is lesser than the earlier. Same with other body parts also you can use. Don't forget to apply body lotion. We can use baking soda as dead skin remover also. For this, take half spoon of baking soda and a quarter spoon of water. Mix well. Apply to your face and give gentle massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash off with cold water. Apply moisturizer. You can use this for your other body parts also. Many of us feel ashamed because of body odor or more sweating. The best home remedy for this is baking soda. Take a half spoon baking soda and half spoon of water. Dilute well. Apply this solution to underarms after your shower and then wash it off with cold water. Don't use soap. This will control sweating and we can get rid of bad smell which comes from our body or underarm. To get white, shiny teeth with regular brushing, you should brush your teeth with baking soda. For that, dip your toothbrush in baking soda and brush your teeth. That's all. You should do this twice in a week. Baking soda also works as a great mouthwash. Take half spoon of baking soda and 1 glass of water. Dilute well. Gargle your mouth to get rid of bad smell. It is far better than using a chemicalized mouthwash. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.